Good day everyone. Welcome to today's session on research instrument development. In this session, we'll focus on reliability testing, specifically using Cronbach's Alpha. Whether you're developing surveys, educational assessments, or clinical tools, understanding reliability is essential to ensure your instrument consistently measures what it is intended to measure. Today, you'll learn why reliability matters, how to conduct a reliability test, and how to interpret Cronbach's Alpha results. By the end of this session, you'll have practical techniques to strengthen your instrument's reliability and improve the quality of your research. Let's begin. Assuming these are the questionnaire items that remained after content validity testing of educational leadership effectiveness of school principals, the next step we will do is reliability testing. Here is the scale that we will use for the research instrument. Each item should be rated based on level of agreement with the statement. The scale ranges from 1 to 5, where 5 means strongly agree, 4 means agree, 3 means neutral, 2 means disagree, and 1 means strongly disagree. Since some items were removed, let's update the codes to reflect the correct numbering sequence of the questionnaire on educational leadership effectiveness of school principals. Reliability is about consistency. If the same respondents answer these questions under similar conditions, the results should be stable. Without reliability, even a valid instrument can produce misleading results. Cronbach's Alpha is the most widely used reliability coefficient for Likert-type scales. It tells us how closely related the items are. A higher alpha means better internal consistency. Before applying the instrument to your full population, test it on a group that shares similar characteristics with your target respondents, but is not part of the actual sample. While some researchers use 30 to 50 respondents for pilot testing, Kennedy's 2022 study indicates that this may not be statistically strong enough. The study recommends at least 100 respondents for more accurate reliability estimates, as larger samples help reduce the standard error. Just for this demonstration, we are using a sample dataset that represents 30 respondents. Each row corresponds to one respondent, and each column represents one of the 20 questions in the research instrument. To conduct a reliability test, you have multiple options. You can use SPSS, or free tools like Jamovi and JSP. If you prefer Excel, you can compute Cronbach's Alpha manually or with add-ins. But if you're not comfortable with these, the easiest way is to use a free online calculator. In this session, we'll be using the Cronbach's Alpha calculator from ConeIQ. If you're interested in exploring it further, you can check the link displayed on your screen. Before we compute reliability, ensure that your spreadsheet contains only the data, no labels, no extra text, just the responses. In this example, the structure should be simple, 30 rows for the 30 respondents and 20 columns for the 20 questions or indicators. This clean format is important because some online calculators and statistical tools require raw numeric data without additional content. Now, let's watch a short demonstration on how to compute reliability using an online Cronbach's Alpha calculator. In this example, we'll use the free tool available at ConeIQ. Here are the results of our reliability test using Cronbach's Alpha. The computed alpha is 0.9851, which indicates excellent internal consistency. This means the items in our instrument are highly correlated and measure the same construct. Our sample size is 30 respondents, and the instrument contains 20 items. While 30 is considered a moderate sample size and provides reasonably stable results, larger samples, such as 100 or more, would give more precise estimates. Now, let's verify the reliability result using Jamovi. We'll input the same dataset and compute Cronbach's Alpha to see if the outcome matches what we obtained earlier with the online calculator. The results from Jamovi match the Cronbach's alpha calculator value we obtained earlier. Both methods confirm the same reliability score, which indicates excellent internal consistency of the survey questionnaire. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this short video lecture on research instrument development, particularly on reliability testing using Cronbach's alpha, has been informative and helpful.